Hi guys, welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. In this video, I'm going to share with you about pure math 2 question. So the diagram shows the curve y equals to square root of x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 4 and find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point 0, comma 2. And then show that the x coordinates of the point of intersection of the line y equals to x plus 2 and the curve are given by the equation x plus 2 square equals to x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 4. Hence, and find the this x coordinate. And the region shaded in the diagram is rotated through 90 degree, 360 degree about the x-axis, and find the volume of the revolution. Okay, so first of all, we find the equation of the tangent to the curve at point 0, 2. So 0, 2, when x equals to 0, then y equals to 2. It means we find the tangent here, right? Remember, when you need to find the tangent, line tangent, so you find the gradient first. To find the gradient, so find the gradient. Find the gradient by derivative of y. So you find the first derivative of y and then you put it 0, 2 and x, it means x equals to 0, right? So you put x 0 in this first derivative of y, that you got the gradient, right? And then so to find the gradient, you need to find the first derivative of this one. So the first derivative of this, it means we have y equals to, so I make like this, x4 x to the power 4 plus 4x plus 4 1 over 2, and then to find this one, so you have 1 over 2 times x to the power 4 plus 4x plus 4. This is minus 1 over 2 is negative 1 over 2, and then derivative of the inside of this, you have times with 4 x to the power 3 plus 4, and then you have 4x to the power of 3 plus 4 over 2 times square root of x squared plus 4x plus 4, right? So this one you can divide, right? So you have y prime of the first derivative of y equals to 2x to the power of 3 plus 2 over the square root of x 4 to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 4. After that, after you find the first derivative of this curve and then to find the gradient, so it means you substitute the value of x. So substitute the value of x in this one, so you have y prime is equals to 2 times 0 square plus 2, so x equals to 0, right? So over square root of 0 cube 0 to the power of 4 plus 4 times 0 plus 4, then you have 2 over square root 4 equals to 1. So our gradient here equals to 1. After you got the gradient, means you find the value of c, because our pen equation or line tangent line equals to y equals to mx plus c. Right, in this case we already have m. Our m here equals to 1. Now you find out the c. So to find the c means you use this point, right? So our point that we going to use is 0 and 2. So simply means that y equals to 2. So 2 equals to our m equals to mx, m 1 times 0 plus c, it means c equals to 2. Then our line equation or equation of the tangent is y equals to mx, it means x plus 2. Our m is 1, right? So it's this one for I. And then so that the x coordinate of the point intersection of this line y equals to x plus 2, and the curve are given by the equation x4 plus 2 square equals to x to the power of 4 plus 4x equals to yes or 4x plus 4. This one, we are going to find the coordinate of that. So to find out the coordinate of x, because this is, we find this coordinate of x, right? So to find that coordinate of x, it means we have this equals to that one, right? So to find here, use this one, and to find the coordinate of x. So okay, find coordinate of x, it means we have uh, x plus 2 square equals to x to the power 4 plus 4x plus 4, right? And then this one you have x power 2 plus 4x plus 4 equals to x power 4 plus 4x plus 4, right? So it means that you can do this one, boom, right? Can cancel this, so you have x equals to x square. So by x equals to x square, okay, so our x is equals to x plus 2, right? Yeah, our x is x plus 2, so it means we have x square equals to x plus 2. Then you have x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Then you have x minus 2 x plus 1 equals to 0. Right, so the coordinate of x is x equals to 2, then x equals to negative 1. Right? Look at this. Why our x equals to x squared equals to x plus 2? Because in this case, our y x plus 2, this is intersect, right? Intersect at the given that this one. So it means that this is intersect this one, so you can write down as x squared equals to x plus 2, because in this line intersect with that line in this explanation, right? So it means that we have x equals to 2, then x equals to negative 1 for y coordinate. And then for I, the region shaded in the diagram is rotated to 360 degrees about the x-axis. Find the volume of the revolution. Okay, to find the track means we have the integral of what is that, negative 1 to 0 phi y squared dx. Our y equals to, it means we have phi integral negative 1 0, and then y square means this uh this is the square, y equals to the square root, right? When you square, it means it's only x square plus 4x plus 4, because the square is you cancel, right? Because when you have square root, square root, this is square, it means this is, you cancel, right? You cancel, like like this, and then this is for the dx. And then to find that one, so you have pi, this one, x equals to oh yeah, put it here, right? So this one equals to pi times 1 over 5. So by using this one with the interval of that one, so you can use the calculator, right? Integral in your calculator. So you have uh, 5 11 over 5. Then you have the shaded area, the shaded region, the volume in the shaded region when you yeah, you go with x-axis, this one, right? So the volume in this case equals to 11 over 5, 11 over 5 pi. Okay, so this is for I I. Okay, I hope you understand this one, and remember again, when you find the equation of the tangent. Don't forget to find the gradient. After you got the gradient, you need to find c, and then by substitute the gradient in this one by using the point 0.02, you can find c, and then you got the line equation. And for I, so you make this one first, because x plus 2 square equals to that one, so you find x equals to x square. Because x square is intersects with line x plus 2, it means you have x square equals to x plus 2. Then you can use the factorization, yeah, quadratic factorization, right? So you can get x equals to 2, x equals to negative 1. And for I, so you use the formula of finding and the volume in rotate with x-axis is pi y squared dx. So because our y is square root, when you square, the square is disappear, right? So we have 4x plus 4 x to the power of 4 plus 4x plus 4 dx. By using the calculator integration, right? So this one you get 11 over 4 times 5, so you have 11 over 5 pi. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept, and see you in the next video. Thank you.